In this tutorial, we will be working with sliders. So we want to call WebDriver Chrome and get this website right here. And then we want to find our slider element. So we click on this, and then we click on this. And if you see Selectors Hub has input value equals 0, but we do not want that because it is unreliable. Instead, we want to use input type range. So / input square bracket ampersand type range. We will use ActionChains and pass in driver and call it actions. And then we will click and hold the slider. And then we will move the offset by 50, 0. Move by offset takes in two arguments. The X offset, which is a positive or negative integer, and the second argument is the Y offset. So here, the 50, you would actually have to guess, check, and improve to see what value you want. So we will click and hold the slider, move it by the offset, and then release. And finally, we will perform the action that is passed into the action chains. Alternatively, if you read the instructions, it says we can actually move the arrow left and right. So if you click it once, you get 0.5 movement, but if you hold it, you actually get a larger number. So when you send keys with the right arrow, you will actually end up with something like 3. And then we want more precise movements, so we would actually use the action chain. So we will key down the left arrow, immediately key up on the left arrow, and then perform our action chain. So you see 3, and then you see more precise movement to the left.